Topic 2 is NGFW and SASE solution functionality, and it carries 18% of your exam score. This is a high priority topic. You will see a lot of scenario-based questions here. Let us break it down. Key concepts to study: App ID, User ID, and Content ID security profiles, antivirus, anti-spyware, vulnerability protection SASE architecture, and Prisma Access SSL/TLS Decryption WildFire cloud-based threat analysis. Exam weight: 18% high priority, around 13 to 14 questions out of 75 will come from this topic. This is one of the top 3 topics by weight. Question 1. What does App ID do in Palo Alto NGFW? A. Identifies users on the network. B. Identifies applications regardless of port or protocol. C. Blocks all encrypted traffic. D. Assigns IP addresses to devices. Correct answer B. Identifies applications regardless of port or protocol. Explanation: App ID inspects traffic deeply to identify the exact application being used, even if it is running on a non-standard port or trying to disguise itself as another protocol. Question 2. What is the main purpose of WildFire in Palo Alto networks? A. Managing firewall licenses. B. Cloud-based analysis of unknown files and zero-day threats. C. Monitoring user login activity. D. Encrypting VPN tunnels. Correct answer B. Cloud-based analysis of unknown files and zero-day threats. Explanation: WildFire sends unknown or suspicious files to a cloud sandbox environment where they are analyzed for malicious behavior. This allows the firewall to detect zero-day malware that has no existing signature. Question 3. In SASE architecture, which component provides secure remote access for mobile users? A. Panorama. B. Cortex XDR. C. Prisma Access. D. WildFire. Correct answer C. Prisma Access. Explanation: Prisma Access is the core SASE component that provides secure, cloud-delivered access for mobile users and remote branch offices without requiring traditional on-premises hardware. Question 4. Which security profile protects against buffer overflow and known exploit attempts? A. Antivirus profile. B. Vulnerability protection profile. C. URL filtering profile. D. Data filtering profile. Correct answer B. Vulnerability protection profile. Explanation: the vulnerability protection profile detects and blocks known exploits, including buffer overflows, shellcode attacks, and protocol anomalies targeting operating systems and applications. Question 5. What is required to decrypt SSL TLS traffic on a Palo Alto NGFW? A. WildFire subscription only. B. A decryption policy and SSL Forward Proxy certificate. C. User ID agent installation. D. Panorama management access. Correct answer B. A decryption policy and SSL Forward Proxy certificate. Explanation: in Palo Alto PAN-OS, if no explicit allow rule exists between 2 zones, all traffic is denied by default. This is the implicit deny rule at the bottom of every policy table. Want more topic-wise practice questions for Topic 2 and all other NetSec-Pro topics? Visit ITExamsTopics organized scenario-based practice questions with full explanations are waiting for you. The link is in the description. Topic 2 done, 18% covered. Now moving to Topic 3, which also carries 18% and covers the full Palo Alto product platform. Watch the next video. Topic 3, Platform Solutions, Services, and Tools.